Okay, so the camera's on, so I'm experiencing some water issues when I'm driving. I hear this water trickling down. So I've now mounted the cam inside the car door to see what happens if I pour water on my window, just to make sure it all goes through that little hole over there. That seems to work alright. All the water seems to go nicely through the door. No pools of water really. But still, when I'm driving in the rain, I hear this water trickling down. It sounds to be coming from the top of the roof all the way down to the chassis of the car. And I don't know where it's coming from. But it's definitely not that there's water in the door. So this section is clear.